in order to make my drop card editable, I'm going to have some kind of graphic that I going to want to use on the back side, I'm sorry, on the inside of my drop card. So what I have here is some text here. I'm going to put in my program here, and then I'm going to have to make it where I want it to be, and sometimes it's a little bit of a process, but let me explain what I'm using here. I'm using a program called Usign. I've had it for several years. I like the program. It allows me to build all kind of graphics very easily. It just sometimes takes me a little bit of time. You can also use a free program called Canva if you're familiar with that. You can also use a Microsoft PowerPoint if you know how to do that, but I'm sure there's other programs out there, but what you want to do is you want to get some type of graphic so that's going to go on the inside of your drop card. You can do it in black and white. You can do it in color. It really depends on how you want to do it. I'm just, for this demo, I'm going to do it in black and white. But if I want to, I can do it in color if I want to run my drop cards off on the color printer, making them very nice and very pretty. And I would imagine colors would probably sell better, whatever you're selling. You can make your message, it's your message, so make it whatever you want it to be. So what I need it to be is 600 wide, 600 pixels wide by 400 pixels tall. And that'll be the perfect size for whenever we go to PDF Escape. I'm going to show you on the next video on how that works out. But I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and do a little editing, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what I did. Okay, I had so much fun with it, I decided to go ahead and add some color to it so you can see what it looks like. Anybody can do a black and white, but anybody can also do a color. But I think this looks nicer than the black and white. So it's finished, and all I need to do is download the thing, and I'll show you how to upload it to the PDF Escape as we do the next video on how to edit your drop card template. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have any questions, feel free to please let me know what I can do for you. Thank you.